Learn English with Titanic movie. Choose the correct vocabulary. Part 8 of 10. Remember the words. You'll be tested later in this video. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Submarine. Chaos. Enrage. Grab. Chase. Scientists used a small blank to visit the Titanic wreck. A. Chaos. B. Submarine. C. Enrage. Correct answer, submarine. When the ship was sinking, there was complete blank as people tried to escape. A. Grab. B. Chase. C. Chaos. Correct answer, chaos. Jack's friendship with Rose seemed to blank Cal very much. A. Enrage. B. Chaos. C. Submarine. Correct answer, enrage. People tried to blank onto ropes or life belts to stay above water. A. Chase. B. Grab. C. Enrage. Correct answer, grab. Cal used his gun to blank Jack and Rose through the ship. A. Chaos. B. Grab. C. Chase. Correct answer, chase. Like, comment and subscribe.